Welcome to the Imagination-wide HD network. Today we're featuring some outstanding new product designs from KitchenAid. We have Katie Scupham to show us refrigeration and dishwashers. What do you want to start with, Katie?
So this year, KitchenAid is thrilled to introduce a new line of KitchenAid dishwashers. Now, some of you may not know that KitchenAid actually introduced the first dishwasher, and this is a piece that we actually have right here.
Wow, when was that dishwasher introduced?
We actually introduced this unit in 1949, which means this year we are celebrating the 60th year of the KitchenAid dishwasher. We have a really new exciting line, like I mentioned. We actually moved from having about 8 different series, the K series, the S series, the T series, the M series, the U series, and I could go on. It was an alphabet soup. To now, we only have 3 series, 3 distinct series: the Classic series, the Superba series, and the Superba series EQ.
Okay, that does seem much easier to understand.
So the distinct step up from the Classic series to the Superba series is that the Superba series adds our Pro Scrub option. Now our Pro Scrub option is 4 targeted jets that sit at the back of the dishwasher and blasts off any of the baked on soils that you might find on things like a casserole dish or a pot or pan. Now, when we move from the Superba to the Superba Series EQ, we have our brand new wash system. It's called our EQ wash system, and EQ stands for exceptionally quiet. That's because this new dishwasher is only 41 decibels, which is the quietest dishwasher in the industry. However, we weren't willing to sacrifice performance just to get to quiet, so we actually have a cleaning claim as well. This dishwasher cleans 25% better than the competition. So it's quieter than the competition and cleans better than the competition. You can imagine why we're excited about this new unit. Now, some of the features we want to point out on this new Superba Series EQ model is number 1, our pressure optimizing wash arm. Now this wash arm actually has thin slits as opposed to round holes. Now think about using a garden hose. If you were to have a garden hose and take your thumb and place it over the end of the hose, you would get a high pressure fan of spray. That's exactly what we're doing with this pressure optimizing wash arm. We're creating a high pressure fan of spray. Additionally, the Superba Series EQ models still feature our Pro Scrub option. Also in the Superba Series EQ model, we have a unique filtration system. We do have a filter cup. This filter cup does need to be manually cleaned about 2 to 4 times per year. However, this filter cup is different than filter cups that you find in other filter-based wash systems. This filter cup collects food soils in this area as water is recirculating in the dishwasher. But then at the end, when the dishwasher goes into a drain cycle, all of the water actually drains through this filter cup, and it works to clean this filter as it drains. Again, it only needs to be cleaned about 2 to 4 times per year, much less than other similar filter-based wash systems.
That's a great feature.
Additionally, this unit has a variable speed motor. The variable speed motor is great because it starts slowly and gradually ramps up to its maximum speed, so you get a nice soft start instead of starting with a noisy burst of energy. Also, the motor is very advanced. It works with our soil sensor to determine how soiled the load is and only works as hard as it needs to get that load clean. Finally, some of the other neat features that we have include this third culinary tool rack. This culinary tool rack is ideal for things like spatulas, whisks, ladles. What's nice about it is that it is adjustable into 2 different positions. We have our high position, but then we also have a low position. And again, in the low position, it's great for those larger utensils like those whisks and those ladles. You can also take half of it out, or you can take the whole thing out, or you can actually remove the entire rack. I hope you are as excited as we are about this new line of KitchenAid dishwashers. You can look for it at the end of March. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on the Imagination-wide HD network.